To our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix your PS5 if it won't turn on. In order to fix it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of different steps you could try in order to fix it. So first thing, what you want to do is check the power source. So verify that the wall outlet, power stripe, electric socket or on. If the power source does not have a switch, connect to a different device and check if that works or not. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you could also try using a PS5 controller. Your PS5 won't turn on when you press the power button on the console. The power button may be defected. Try turning on the console using a DualSense. Press the PS button on a DualSense controller to power on your PS5. Be able to help you out. If not, you could also power cycle the PS5, that is reconnect. When you turn on your PS5 that indicates light, PS5 the indicator light should blink blue for a few seconds, transitions to a solid white. Now reconnecting the power cable could fix the problem if the indicator light keeps blinking blue or white. And if that's not the case, you could also cool the console. When the PS5 is overheated, you'll hear a whirring noise because the fan and the console are working to cool it down. Now, cooling the fans may not reduce the temperature of an internal hard drive component if a console is confined to a hot environment. Now, overheating can cause your PS5 to go off during the gameplay and plus a red light. If that's not the way, you could also try cleaning your PS5 AC port. Now, foreign materials may prevent your PlayStation 5 power cable from sitting directly in an AC port. Unplug the power cable and use a flashlight to check for dust or dirt. After which, you could also try force reboot your PS5. That should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.